Narcissism is a personality trait characterized by a grandiose sense of self-importance, a need for excessive attention and admiration, a lack of empathy, and a tendency to exploit others for personal gain. People with narcissistic traits often struggle with forming genuine, empathetic connections with others due to their focus on their own needs and desires. When it comes to the capacity for love, individuals with narcissistic traits may find it challenging to experience love in the same way as people without these traits. Their self-centeredness and lack of empathy can hinder their ability to truly understand and connect with others on a deep emotional level. They might be more inclined to view relationships as opportunities to fulfill their own needs and boost their self-esteem, rather than to genuinely give and receive love. However, it's important to note that narcissism exists on a spectrum, and not all individuals with narcissistic traits are the same. Some may be more capable of developing genuine feelings of love, especially if they are willing to work on their self-awareness and empathy. Therapy and personal growth efforts can help individuals with narcissistic tendencies develop healthier relationship patterns and improve their ability to connect with others emotionally. Ultimately, whether a person with narcissistic traits is capable of loving in a traditional sense depends on the severity of their narcissism, their willingness to change, and the extent to which they can develop genuine empathy and selflessness. Deciding whether to stay in a narcissistic relationship is a complex and personal decision that depends on various factors, including your well-being, safety, and overall happiness. Here are some considerations to keep in mind. 1. Your well-being. If the relationship is causing you significant emotional distress, anxiety, depression, or other negative effects on your mental and emotional health, it's important to prioritize your well-being. 2. Safety. If you feel physically or emotionally unsafe in the relationship due to manipulative behavior, emotional abuse, or threats, your safety should be your top priority. Consider seeking support from friends, family, or professionals. 3. Potential for change. Some individuals with narcissistic traits might be open to personal growth and change. If your partner is willing to acknowledge their behavior and work on improving themselves through therapy or other means, positive change could be possible. 4. Support system. Having a strong support network of friends, family, and professionals can help you navigate difficult decisions and provide emotional support during challenging times. 5. Long-term happiness. Assess whether the relationship brings you long-term happiness and fulfillment. A healthy relationship should contribute positively to your overall quality of life. 6. Boundaries and self-care. If you choose to stay in the relationship, it's crucial to establish and maintain healthy boundaries and prioritize self-care. This can help mitigate some of the negative effects of being in a relationship with a narcissistic individual. 7. Professional help. Consider seeking guidance from a therapist or counselor who can provide an objective perspective and help you make informed decisions about your relationship. Ultimately, the decision to stay in or leave a narcissistic relationship is highly personal. It's important to prioritize your own well-being, safety, and happiness. If you're unsure about what to do, seeking support from trusted individuals and professionals can be helpful in gaining clarity and making the best decision for yourself.